Hey guys, today I'm working on Ancient Pottery Challenge item number 3, the Bilobal jar. So if you remember right, that's the one that comes up, kind of constricts, and then comes out again. So it has 2 lobes, it's bilobal. If you don't know what the Ancient Pottery Challenge is, that's where I've selected the 10 forms from the ancient Southwest that I'm going to try to recreate. And then you have a chance to try to recreate those and share with the hashtag Ancient Pottery Challenge. If you haven't seen that video, I'll share it right up here and you can check that out. This shouldn't be too complicated of a form. It's certainly not the easiest one in the group, but also not the hardest. It's also a form that I've never attempted before, so we'll see how it works out. Okay, that's quite the shape. I've never made anything quite like this before. So I'm going to let it rest a little bit before I come back and scrape it. Let it firm up. I think the shape is fairly consistent. So just going to let it get firmer, and then I'll come back and scrape it a little. That's really fun. I've never made anything even remotely like that before. So interesting project. Okay, second day. It sat overnight, but it's been covered in plastic most of the night. How do you think I did? Okay, what do you think? I'm pretty much done. I have to polish the red and then of course decorate it and then I'll fire it. So it'll probably be at least a couple weeks before I get this fired. And then I'll show you what it looks like when I get it done. But you know, does it look okay? Does it match the prehistoric example that I offered, I think I did all right. I think I'd like to do one that's a little squatter, like some of the other examples I showed. The second lobe a little smaller, a little more part of the neck than an actual, like a jar on top of a jar. Not that I mind this at all. I'm gonna paint this like this example here, but I'd like to do one that I can paint like this example here, and I think I need to go a little shorter on the second lobe for that. So that's my goal long term. The white slip looks kind of patchy right now, but that's because it's wet. As it dries, it'll get more opaque and more solid white, and you'll see that when I show you the finished jar. Okay, I'd like to see what you can do on the bilobal. So get cracking on those and put them up on Instagram with the hashtag Ancient Pottery Challenge, and we'll all take a look at it and see what you can do. If you're enjoying my channel, think about subscribing so you know when the next video comes out. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up so I know you like it and I can make more like this one. I appreciate you coming along with me today. Catch you next time.